if vector A, vector B and vector C are position vectors of the vertices A, B and C of a triangle ABC, show that area of triangle ABC is half magnitude for vector A cross vector B plus vector B cross vector C plus vector C cross vector A. Now, vector A, vector B and vector C are the position vectors of the vertices of A, B and C respectively of triangle ABC. Now, area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 upon 2 vector AB cross vector AC. Now, vector AB is equal to position vector of B minus position vector of A, and vector AC is equal to position vector of C minus position vector of A. Now, vector AB cross vector AC, cross product of vector AB and vector AC, we are having vector B minus vector A, cross product for vector C minus vector A. Now, this becomes vector B minus vector A with cross product of vector C, then minus vector B minus vector A with cross product of vector A. Distributive law. Okay. So now we are having vector B cross vector C minus vector A cross vector C minus vector B cross vector A plus vector A cross vector A. Now, this is equal to vector B cross vector C plus vector C cross vector A plus vector A cross vector B plus 0. Now, what we have done, vector A cross vector C is equal to negative of vector C cross vector A. Then B cross A, vector B cross vector A is equal to negative of vector A cross vector B, and vector A cross vector A is equal to 0. So, we have used these three things. Now, area of triangle ABC is equal to half with the magnitude for cross product of AB and AC, or this is equal to half. AB and AC is what? Vector A cross vector B plus vector B cross vector C plus vector C cross vector A. Proved.